loukoumades, or just in case I'm pronouncing it wrong, Greek donuts. On my live earlier, somebody requested I make them, so I am giving it a try. We're gonna add 1 cup of warm milk to a bowl. I took it straight out of the fridge into the microwave, 50 seconds. 2 tablespoons of sugar. My kids are playing the game Clue behind me, so in case you hear talking, that's exactly what they're doing. So I'm gonna try to talk over them. 2 tablespoons of yeast, and I'm using the traditional dry active. Giving this a really good mix, and gonna let it sit on the counter for about 5 minutes. Now that it's all frothy, I'm gonna add 2 cups of warm water, half a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of vanilla. Now I'm gonna start incorporating some flour. 1 cup, 2 cups. Just gonna give it a little mix. 3 cups, 4 cups. I've mixed my dough until my arm is super sore. Unlike normal donuts, it is left runny just like this. We're gonna leave it, we're gonna cover it and let it sit for about an hour. So it's been like 3 hours. I made dinner and got distracted again. And why did I make so much? Like, why didn't you guys say anything? Maybe take that measurement that I gave you, all those measurements, and cut them into like 1/8. Because what the heck am I gonna do with all these donuts? All right, we're letting this oil get up to temp. I don't know the proper way to scoop these in, so I'm gonna try with an ice cream scoop. If not, we'll just like use a spoon. I don't know. And I'm not sure how many I'm going to make because I did, like, don't quote me, make enough for 4,200 people. What was I even thinking? I don't know. Okay, anyways, focus, scoop, yeah. Yeah, that worked. Yeah, babe.
Are you recording?
Yeah, that's okay. Well, they're not perfect, okay, but they're gonna be delicious. All right, I'm trying to spoon this time. Better. Guys, why didn't you tell me to just use my hands? Obviously, mine are gonna cook at different times, but once they are golden brown, remove them. Although I made these donuts massive, I've used most of the dough. So maybe ignore me when I said I made enough for 4,200 because this is just enough for 1. So that was almost all of that dough. And they're not perfectly shaped like you would normally see, but I did my best. In a saucepan, I brought 2 cups of sugar, half a cup of water, half a cup of honey, and a teaspoon of cinnamon to like a simmer over the stove, and just continue to stir it until it became nice and thick. Now I'm going to dip one of these in that sauce. I'm not sure if everybody wants sauce on there, so they can decide that, but I'm gonna dip one. I'll like fully coat it. Oh, and it's really hot. The sauce is really hot. Oh, it's so hot. Oh my goodness. That chewy resistance. Oh my goodness. We're gonna bring some up to Haley. So instead of that honey syrup that I made, I just added some cinnamon sugar for Harper.